Malagos Gardens Interactive Bird Show. It's a nature discovery experience for the whole family. My name is Dr. Bo, and I'm your host for this 45-minute exciting journey into the world of these amazing birds. Together, we're going to learn about these birds, their natural behavior, and also about nature, the environment, and things we all can do to help protect our planet and its precious wildlife. Interactive Bird Show! Don't miss it! It's only here at Malagos Garden Resort.